Good morning to all of you. I am going to start to to solve some questions of exercise 1.1. This is question number 1. This is a number line. This is given in your book. Here the zero integer. This is 5 integer, 10, 15, 20, minus 5, minus 10. These are the integers. Every division shows 1 degree centigrade. Temperature in degree centigrade. These all are the temperature in degree centigrade. One division, 2 division, 3 division, 4 division, 5 division. 5 division shows 5 degree centigrade. It means one division is 1 degree centigrade. So here the 5, the Lahore Spiti is here. So this is the minus 5, this is minus 6, this is minus 7, and this is a minus 8. The Lahore Spiti temperature will be minus 8 because it is the left to the 0. Now the Srinagar temperature will be minus 2 degree centigrade. This is just the left to the 0. So these are the minus signs. So 1 degree minus 1, here minus 2. Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade. Then after Shimla is 5 degree. This is the right to the 0. So these values are the positives. So Shimla temperature is 5 degree. This is plus sign. And OT is 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. OT temperature is 14 degree centigrade. Here Bengaluru is 22 degree centigrade. Here 20, here 21 and 22. This mark Bengaluru. So the temperature is 22 degrees centigrade. This is the sub class 1 of this question 1. Now here the second question, what is the hottest temperature? The hottest temperature, it means the positive value. Positive value is this is the greater value. So this is the hottest temperature. Now coldest temperature just below minus 8 degree centigrade. This is the coldest temperature. So difference, what is the difference between two? The difference of these equal to 22 minus 28. This is the minus 28 means the additive inverse of 8. 22 minus 8. This means this is the additive value of the 8 minus 8, that is plus 8. This total will be 30 degree centigrade. Now question number 3. Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degree centigrade. Minus 2. Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degree centigrade. Lahore Spiti temperature is minus 8 degree centigrade. The difference will be minus 2 minus 8. This means the minus 2 and additive inverse of minus 8. Minus 8 additive inverse will be 8. So minus 2 plus 8, this will be the 6 degree centigrade. The fourth part is temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So both combined, taken together, the temperature will be minus 2 degree centigrade plus 5 degree centigrade. Here 5 degree centigrade is greater than minus 2, then this value will be plus 3 degree centigrade. 5 minus 2, that will be 3 degree centigrade. The temperature of Shimla is 5 degree centigrade. Temperature of Shimla is 5 degree centigrade. The answer is yes. What is yes? Yes means that if the question is the temperature of these two taken together is less or more than the temperature of Shimla. So this is the less. The answer is correct because 3 degree centigrade is less than 5 degree centigrade. 3 degree centigrade, the total taken together is less than 5 degree centigrade alone. So this is the less. Now temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade and the taken together is 3 degree centigrade. So the minus 2 degree centigrade is less than 3 degree centigrade. So no temperature of Srinagar is less. Temperature of Srinagar is less. Now question number 2 is in a quiz the positive marks were given to correct answer. Positive marks for correct answer and negative marks were given to the negative answer. Negative answer के लिए negative marks दिया गया, यानी जो इनकरेक्ट आंसर था उसके लिए नेगेटिव मार्क्स दिया गया और ये जो करेक्ट आंसर के लिए करेक्ट दिया गया. जैक्स स्कोर्स इन 5 सक्सेसिव राउंड्स वेयर 5 राउंड्स में उसके स्कोर्स क्या थे? 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. What was the total at the end? So what was the total at the end? We have to summarize all these things. The total will be 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 and 10. This total value, when we add these all, we find the total value. So taking the positive signs together, we find 25 plus 15 plus 10, and the negative sign together, this is plus -5 or plus -10. This total plus value is 50 and this total minus value is -50. The total value of this, it is plus 35 marks, because the 50, the plus sign is greater than minus sign, so this will take plus sign. It means 35 marks were obtained by by the Jacks. This is the answer. Now question number 3, temperature of Srinagar in Monday. On Monday was -5 degrees centigrade. It dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. On Monday the temperature was -5 degrees centigrade and it dropped by the 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. So the temperature of Tuesday will be -5 degrees centigrade minus this 2 degrees centigrade. So this will give the minus means 7 degrees centigrade. This is your temperature of the Tuesday. Now on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the Tuesday is increased by 4 degrees centigrade. So then the temperature on Wednesday will be -7 degrees centigrade. This was the temperature of Tuesday and it is increased by 4 degrees centigrade. So -7 degrees centigrade plus 4 degrees centigrade. This will give the -3 degrees centigrade, because the minus value is greater. Then we will take the minus sign and the difference will be 3 degrees centigrade. So the temperature on Wednesday will be -3 degrees centigrade. The total answer is -7 degrees centigrade and -3 degrees centigrade. Thank you.